and I'm singing the same verse.
Are we doing verses? Is it recording?
Just singing, yeah.
No, the words
You can join into hands
Start
together
again.
if you need to. We just start from the question. There's a monkey around. DK. Donkey Kong. He's the leader of the bunch. You know him well. He's finally back to kick some tail. His coconut gun can fire his birds. If you shoot ya, it's gonna hurt. He's bigger and faster and stronger too. He's the first member of the DK crew. DK. Donkey Kong. DK. Donkey Kong is here. Young got style. This Kong's got good. This sugar size. Move. And she needs to be. She can float through the air and climb up trees. So if you choose her, you know she's wrong with her. She's one cool Kong. DK. Donkey Kong. He's got no style, he has no grace. This Kong has a funny face. He can handstand when he needs to. He can stretch his arms out just for you. He inflate himself just like a balloon. This crazy Kong, one just takes this tune. DK, Donkey Kong, DK, Donkey Kong. He's back again and about time too. And this time he's in the mood. He can fly real high with his jetpack on, with his pistols up. He's one tough Kong. You smile when he plays his shoe. He can grind and beware, 'cause he's after you. DK, Donkey Kong. Wait, we'll do this one together. DK. Finally, he's here for you. He's the last member of the DK crew. This Kong's so strong, it isn't funny. He can make a gremlin cry for mommy. Mommy! Pick up boulders with relative ease. Make crashing rocks seem such a breeze. He may move slow, he can't jump high, but this Kong's one hell of a guy. Take it to the fridge, crank it, come on. Walnuts, peanuts, pineapple smells. Grape melons, oranges, and coconut shells. Oh yeah, walnuts, peanuts, pineapple shells. Grape melons, oranges, and coconut shells. Oh yeah. Oh crap. I forgot.